What's up, everybody? It's Chastin J Miles, and I am here at one of my houses today. We're going to do a walkthrough, check on the work that's being done. For those of you who don't know, this past month I've purchased 2 investment properties, well, 2 flip properties, and so we're getting work done on it. Come and check the progress, see what's all been done. Come with me. All right, y'all, we are in East Dallas today, and this is my other property that both of these should be done right around the same time. What's going on? How are you?
All right.
Good to see you. I'm just checking things out, I'm just checking it out, seeing what all's been done so far.
I opened the water, but there's a little leak downstairs.
Oh, yeah?
Back. Yeah, I closed the water back.
Okay.
Water. And
it's leaking like down? It's like into the, under the, okay. We got a leak.
Yeah, it's a little leak. It's not a big deal at all. It's right there, right here in the bottom. Probably this pipe in here.
Okay.
I tried to find it because when I opened the mirror, I shut down the plug for the water, and the mirror was running. I said, what the fuck, why are you running so fast?
Yeah.
And I figured out the boiler, the water heater.
Yeah.
And I checked it out the toilet because the toilet's still running water. I close it out, and it go down a little bit, and then come out, try to hear some noise, and I come here, and it was here.
Okay.
Right there, it's,
You got it shut off? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I know something we were talking about, having this curve around. Oh yeah, this is where the pantry used to be. Okay. So yeah, this is where the pantry used to be, and we're just gonna extend this with the cabinets and wrap the countertop. Like a column?
Little column here, this is gonna come out.
Okay.
This is gonna come out, it's gonna be square right here in the corner.
Okay.
Right here's gonna be finished nice in the corner.
Yeah.
You know, right here.
Even if you don't take it all the way to the wall, like
right there.
Yeah.
When the cabinet, it can be to the wall. Or whatever you want to put in here. What you want to put in shelves? That's nice that you put some shelves.
It will.
2 by 12 shelves.
Okay.
You're using it right now.
Yeah. My biggest concern was if there was going to be enough cabinet room. But since all this is open and we're putting more open here, I think the shelves would go great here. Yeah. And then since we got rid of the pantry, we'll get one of those pantry cabinets and put it over there. Yeah. You know what else is super annoying to me that I don't like? Is like I wish this bathroom can be separate from this laundry, because it's the laundry room and then there's a bathroom. I don't know.
You think you need you need this toilet right here. Not really.
Well, what I was
probably
what I was thinking in my head, like, since laundry's here, keep this a laundry room, but maybe since there's more space on the other side. Oh, that's gonna be too tight.
It's gonna be too tight.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the same way it was before.
Yeah.
Tight.
Let's go look at this backyard. There was a pool in the backyard. I got rid of it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So what they did was they dug up the whole pool, and it was a big pool, but it was old, and there was no pool equipment. We didn't know about the pipes, and it was going to be a lot of money to refurbish that pool and make it look nice. So what we did was I just made an executive decision to just get rid of it. Now, since it was so big and there was concrete everywhere, there was no backyard, no green space. Now the new owner will be able to actually have this covered porch area where they can put chairs and stuff, but actually have grass, and if they have kids, swing set or whatever they want to have. So I'm gonna actually say, even though this is just dirt, it looks better than it did when there was a pool in here. Would you agree? Yeah. Let me go look at these bedrooms right quick. Oh my gosh. So we had this ice storm not too long ago, and there was a lot of snow, a lot of ice, and guess what happened? Come in here. I'm in the hallway bathroom, and before I even show it to you yet, right? Look down there. There's no lights on in here, right? There's no lights on, and you see kind of how it's bright right there, right? Well, look what happened. Straight up from the ceiling, just a huge ice chunk fell through, came through the ceiling and the roof and everything. So problems. Y'all saw I got a new roof in the other house. Oh shit. So this is the primary bedroom, and it's a really good size, and we talked about this leak earlier. I kind of want to have this, so the second room opens up to this bathroom too, and the primary bedroom does, but I kind of want to close that second room off from this bathroom. But there's 3 bedrooms and they would all be using that other bathroom. So let me know if y'all think that's even a good idea.
Bad time.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good to see you. Considering it, opening it up and just having columns, so that way we can open that part up as well.
All of that.
And it'd be big. But
How serious are we considering this?
I mean, I gotta draw it out to see how it would even play out.
Well, normally we would just blow it all out.
The whole wall.
Yeah, and that's what we said from the jump. We said, let's take that wall out.
Yeah.
Right? Because that's, I mean, for us, that's like 101 for us. And but that's the big open concept. But like you just claimed, I never really considered what do you do with all this space.
Yeah, because I mean, you know, when you got couches and stuff, and people are still unfortunately lining up couches on walls and stuff, and you know, I'll be having to explain this to buyers because they're like, I don't know where to put my couch. And yeah, when it's just big and open like that. I mean, but he also shared another idea of not doing the whole wall, but just like maybe half of it. So like from the middle, having all this open, and then since we'd be closing that side off, you know, it would be half of a solid wall over there. But then I didn't even think about those bedrooms over there. It's like you walk into a house and you see a wall, which isn't a good idea. All right, well, I hope that y'all enjoyed this. Let me get outside right quick. Yeah, so work is coming along. Everything's moving forward, and you know, super excited about it. For those of you who are in the Discord, I mean, you all have been updated, and if you're not in Discord, join it, because that's your one-on-one connection with me. But yeah, I look forward to showing y'all the next one, and I'm Chastin J Miles, and I'll talk to you soon.